In January of 2001, the sun first came up on the Sullivan Renaissance rooster. He crowed with pride as he cast his watchful eye over his flock and saw 30 community beautification projects take root and grow. Through the years, the Renaissance rooster took care to protect and encourage the thousands of volunteers who planted and cultivated, making sure their efforts had strong and permanent roots. We're celebrating 15 years of the Sullivan Renaissance spirit with thanks to our volunteers and supporters. Join us, watchful, protective, and spirited. SullivanRenaissance.org, 845-295-2445. 15 years of growing Sullivan County. Now that's something to crow about. SullivanRenaissance.org, 845-295-2445. 845-295-2445.